All right, let's take a quick look at the Vara Reports tab. This is where you can access all your key performance data in one place. At the top, you'll see a date filter. This lets you adjust the range to view transaction data for a specific period. Below that are your core metrics for that period of time, including total revenue, total tips, and revenue broken out by services and products. As we move down, you'll see detailed reports for each main category. Let's go ahead and start in the sales report. As we click in here, for that date range, you'll see total sales, including a breakdown for discounts, taxes, and tips. Every report allows you to easily export into CSV. For products and services, this will give you a detailed breakdown for every single product and services sold, quantity, and revenue driven by those products and services. Lastly, we have staff performance. This lets you track each individual staff member and their revenue tied to services and products, as well as a breakdown for tips for easier tip calculations and payouts. That's the Vara Reports tab, quick, flexible, and built for insights. We'll see you on the next one.